guys, welcome back to another episode of POPxo Style School. There's always a special corner assigned to shirts in our closet, and guess what? With just a few tricks, you can make them a part of your everyday wardrobe. So today we've rounded up some inspiration to get you started. Let's begin. Instead of wearing a shirt as it is, let's make an off-shoulder top. Pull a shoulder out of your shirt and fasten the top 2 buttons. Hide the extra arm inside your shirt and tuck the top away in high-waisted trousers. Style your one-shoulder shirt with minimal accessories and you're good to go. Creating a front wrap top from a shirt is the simplest. Just take the 2 end corners of a shirt, fold one over the other and take it all the way to the back. Remember to tuck these 2 ends in to secure your look. Voila! Your all new wrap top is ready. Style it with the denim shorts for a casual day look. If you want to go all badass yet want to balance out the look, creating a crop top from a shirt is definitely a good idea. Unbutton the shirt from the bottom and take the 2 corners of your shirt at the back. Tuck this portion of your shirt at the back and you're done. Style this crop shirt with your straight cut denims for a street style look. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed these shirt hacks. If you have any interesting ones, do share with us on Instagram. And because you love our content so much, all you need to do is join the MyGlamm POPxo Insider program and get ₹150 off on all MyGlamm beauty products. The link, like always, is down in the description box, so do check it out. And for more such videos, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily. Bye.
Press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.